Are you tired of being glued to the screen but still missing trades and not making any profits? Then this is the time for you to switch to algo trading. There's a way for you to earn from crypto derivatives. You only need to subscribe Delta Exchange Marketplace and rest the strategy will going to do work for you 24/7. But wait, you must be thinking, what is this marketplace? So let me tell you, it's a platform where you can subscribe crypto derivatives algo strategy which are created and back tested by experts. And the best part is you need not to pay any additional charges for all those strategies. Once you subscribe this strategy, your account automatically follows the strategy trade. These strategies are made by professionals and back tested on historical data. Also, these strategies hold good earning potential. Like in this algo marketplace strategy, I can see annualized return 87.2% on the basis of historical data. And as soon as you open it, you will get many more detail about this particular strategy. Strategy is fully automated and your only point of manual intervention when you want to subscribe this strategy or want to take exit from this strategy. Now, you must be wondering how to subscribe this marketplace algo strategies. Let me give you a walkthrough and navigate you step by step how to subscribe the strategy and analyze the strategy. So for that, let's go to the screen.
So first of all, you need to log into your Delta account. But before me giving you walkthrough, let me tell you that this feature is available on your mobile phone as well as on web. First of all, you need to log in as I've told you, and then post that you can see the menu bar. Go to the Algo Hub and on the drop down menu, you will find Algo Marketplace. Click on it. Once you click, you will land on Algo Marketplace homepage. Now let me give you a detailed walkthrough that. So here on the top, you can see subscription overview, and you couldn't see any data here because I've not subscribed any strategy yet. I will subscribe to the strategy at the end of the video, so stick to the video till the end. So once you scroll down, you will see the segment strategies, right? In a strategy segment, you can see several strategy cards, and over the brief overview, once you select the strategy, you can click on the strategy, and in these cards you will get a detailed analysis of that particular strategy. I will explain you in detail that how you can choose and select your strategy, so stick with me. But before that, you will get two drop down menus. Once you click on the first drop down menu, you can see four options: backtest all, day 7, day 30. Once you click on the backtest, so in sort by segment, you will get two options on the basis of return and drawdown. If you select return, then the strategy will be sorted on the basis of return, like how much return that the strategy has earned, annualized return, and the returns will be in descending order. And from the drop down menu, if you select the drawdown, then the strategy will be sorted on the basis of drawdown. So this was once you select the backtest option. But if you want to sort this strategy on the basis of duration, then you'll get three options: all, last 7 days, and 30 days. And here on sort by segment, on the basis of duration, you will get four segregation, which is return, subscriber, total subscriber, and drawdown. Let's suppose I select subscriber, and that will be also in descending order. So now let me jump to these cards, like what these cards do, and inside these cards what information you will get. For example, if I'll see this BTC intraday option scalper strategy, along with that, what is the all-time return of this strategy? So since inception, since the launch of the day of this strategy has made 51.83% of returns. Along with that, you can see subscribers, total subscribers, and drawdown. And if you want to get in detail like how this strategy is performing, then you simply click on the card and you will be redirected to this detailed analysis page of that particular strategy. This is an options strategy. It is an intraday strategy. Along with that, this is a non-directional strategy. Also, there will be two options: harvest and reinvest option. Now, return, harvest, and reinvestment options, I will explain this to you later. And the leverage that is used here is 25s, right? Total deployed value, that means in this strategy, the total value that is deployed by the subscribers is $9,564 approximately. Total number of subscribers are 51. Now, I'll come to the subscribe option later once I'll choose my strategy. But before that, let me tell you that how this strategy works and this analysis works. And then when you scroll down, you will get two options to analyze the strategy. One is you can see the analytics of backtesting, and the another is you can see the analytics of live. First, let's see the analytics of backtesting. On the basis of initial capital of $200, this strategy in this duration has made a PNL of $210. That means if you would have invested $200 during this backtesting period, you would have made $210. Therefore, the annualized return is 87.82%. The number of trades that this strategy has taken during this backtesting period. Win rates are 67.78%, and similarly you will get other metrics like average profit per trade, average loss per trade, drawdown, and Sharpe ratio. Also, all these metrics are being calculated including trading fees and slippage. So you need not to worry about trading fees and slippage. This is how your backtesting PNL looks like since the inception, like from 1st Jan of 2025 till 23 Feb 2026. This is strategy's PNL graph is like that. Now let's come to the second tab, which is live, to understand the metrics of the strategy. In live, you will analyze the live trades taken by this strategy in the account. And since inception, this strategy has taken several trades, and you can analyze these metrics on the basis of live. The initial capital that is used in this strategy is $1,000. Over this $1,000, this strategy has made $518 approximately. That means if you have invested $1,000, which gives you a return of 51.83%, the number of trades this strategy has taken since inception or since the date of launch of this strategy is 68. Win rate is 58.82%, and there are rest of the other metrics, which is average profit rate, average loss per trade, drawdown, and Sharpe ratio. Then on the right side, now you can see the PNL chart of this strategy. There are three options that you can select and see or understand the metric on the basis of duration. That is presently I have selected all. If you want to analyze this strategy for past 7 days, you can select 7 days, and the metrics and the details will change of this strategy. If you want to select 30 days and analyze past 30 days performance, the metrics will change accordingly. Now if you scroll down more, you will see key metric, like when this strategy has been launched. Like we have launched this strategy of 20th December 2025. Minimum subscription amount is $50, whereas maximum subscription amount is $1,000. Trading fees per trade is 0.01% of notional value, as this is an option strategy. And if I'll tell you about the options trading fees, so this is our trading fees structure, where on options we apply 0.01% as maker taker and 3.5% of the option premium cap. If you will subscribe this strategy, then in this tab, open position tab, you can see your open positions, like the present open position that you have in your account. Again, if you'll scroll down more, you can see strategy trades, like since inception, how many trades this strategy have taken. Also, all the trades shown in this section are on the base capital of $1,000. If you'll scroll down, you can see the expiry, the date of buying and selling, the option premium that you have received or sold, and the lots. Along with that, you can see the profits, PNL, and aggregate PNL, right? Aggregate ROI. Okay, understand and analyze this strategy. And similarly, the other strategies that are listed on marketplace, the analysis will be same. This was the options strategy. If I'll show you the futures strategy, let me click on that strategy. And as you can see, this is a futures strategy. It's a directional strategy. It's a hybrid swing strategy. The leverage that have been taken in this strategy is 1, and the return is being reinvested in this strategy. For example, if on $1,000 you have made $100 as a return, that entire $100 will again reinvested in your initial capital, and then again the next trade will be taken on $1,100, right? Then total deployed value, number of subscribers, and day trade. And if you will scroll down, the analysis metric is similar the way I have shown you on options strategy. So if you want to subscribe this strategy, either you can subscribe it right from here. I'll click on it. Again, you will get a pop-up window. Here on the left side, you will get the strategy brief keycard. On the right side, you will get the inputs to add for the subscription. Like in the subscription amount, as I've told you, the minimum amount is $50. Below that, you can have the available balance, like how much balance is available in this strategy. And also below this, there will be a warning keycard, which is subscribing less than 20% of your account balance is suggested once you are subscribing the options strategy, right? So for demo, I'm going to subscribe from $50 for you. And then below that, you will see the aggregate PNL stop loss option. But to open this, you need to swipe this toggle. Once you swipe the toggle, you can write your stop loss. For example, if I'll add $10, as I am from $50, I will add my aggregate PNL stop loss to $10. That means once the aggregate, that means the net PNL reaches to $10, my strategy, my algo will going to take exit from the strategy. Now below that, you can have the auto top up option, which is optional, and I'll explain this to you later in this video. Simply subscribe this strategy. You need to click on this checkbox, click on subscribe. Now your strategy has been subscribed successfully. Now once the strategy is subscribed, you can see the option my subscription in the detailed menu menu bar. Here this strategy amount is $50, current value is also $50. Because I have subscribed it right now, I don't have any harvested PNL, there is no total PNL and ROI, there is nothing, no such data here. I have aggregate PNL SL that I have added, which is $10. There is another option which is auto top up. So now what is this auto top up? Let me tell you. So this is a separate account where I have one running live option strategy, and I'll tell you how this auto top up feature works. So what will happen if the auto top up feature is not on? The strategy will take the trades on the current value. For example, a person started from $100 as in capital, incurred a loss of $10. The remaining amount is $90 again. So the next trade will be taken at $90. If again it incurs a loss of, then again the algo will going to take a trade at $81. But this will not happen if the auto top up is on. Now, to switch on the auto top up, we simply have to toggle on, and you will get a pop-up menu. Just click on enable now, and now you can see that your auto top up is on and your harvested PNL, total PNL is equivalent. So before I explain what is auto top up, let me first explain you what is harvested PNL. Harvested PNL represents the net wallet transfer associated with your harvest strategy, which includes sum of profits automatically added to your wallet after every winning trade and any deficit detected from your wallet after a losing trade, which is applicable only if auto top up is turned on. So if the auto top up is turned on, if you earn any profit, it will be added to your wallet shown in harvested PNL. Then the second case is there will be a deduction in your wallet if you lose in any trade and will be added to your current value, and you will see the reflection in your harvested PNL. Now let's see what will happen if you switch on the auto top up. So once you switch on the auto top up, now the strategy will try to take the trade which is always equivalent to your subscribed amount, right? For example, earlier I had somewhat around $42 in my account. So once I switch on the auto top up, what this feature did is it make a current value equivalent to the subscribed amount. That means every trade that this strategy will take, the strategy amount will be equivalent to the subscribed amount. Let me explain this to you again. With auto top up enable, each trade starts with trading capital equals to your subscribed amount. That means your current value will be equals to your subscribed amount. After a loss, it automatically covers the shortfall from your wallet. So the next trade starts at your current subscribed amount. After a loss, for example, if this current value reduced to 45, then the remaining $5 will be fetched from your wallet and you will see a deduction here. That means if there is any reduction in the current value will going to fetch the amount from the wallet and you will see a reflection in the harvested PNL and equivalent to your total PNL. That means if the current value I fetched, let's suppose $5 more, then you will see here $10 approx and the total PNL will also be minus $10. If the auto top up is turned off, the strategy continues trading with the lower balance. The strategy will going to take trade at the current value, whether it is of $50, $45, $30, whichever amount will be present at the current value, the strategy will take trade on that. That means this feature is applied to only the harvested strategies. That means only to option strategies, because harvested PNL feature is only there in option strategies. Now let me tell you, what if you have changed your mind and now you want to switch off the auto top up. So let's suppose I have switched off the auto top up and now this strategy will going to run only on the current value, only on the remaining amount. Now in case of profit, if you incur profit more than your subscribed amount, that is more than $50, that profit will get added to your harvested PNL and so to your total PNL. So always make sure how you want to run your strategy, with auto top up or without auto top up. Both of the features have their own benefits, so see what suits you more. Along with that, if you want to add auto top up when the positions are already open, then you cannot activate it. For example, if I'll add enable now and my positions are already open, the auto top up update failed because open positions detected. Auto top up can be enabled only after all the positions are closed. So after 5:30, when all the positions are closed, then only I can activate my auto top up. Also, let me show you how the subscription overview looks post subscribing the multiple strategies or even single strategy. So this subscription overview provides you the overall health of your marketplace portfolio. Here, if you want to hide all the details like how much amount you have invested, what kind of return you are making, you can simply click on this I button and all the details will disappear. I will unhide this and I'll go to the view dashboard segment, and this is how my dashboard or PNL is performing right now. So from here you can change the number of days of which you want to analyze your strategy. Here I'm clicking on 7 days and all strategy performance. So this is my all strategy performance, the net PNL, the win rate, average profit rates and average loss rate. Here I have subscribed with the total amount of 300. The current value of that amount is $250 approximately. Harvested PNL is $24, total PNL is $23 and the ROI is 7.8%. As I'm looking for very short period of time, that is why the result of this strategy is like that. Along with that, you can go on all strategy drop down menu, and if you want to analyze any single strategy, you can simply click on that strategy, and here you can analyze that particular strategy from this dashboard. Like for example, on Bitcoin intraday option scalper strategy, in 7 days I have made $2.61, whereas if I'll click on 6 months or 30 days, my PNL is $103 from this particular strategy. The win rate is 73.33% and average profit rate is $5, whereas average loss per trade is minus $10, right? So this is how you, if you want to analyze the individual strategy, you can do it from here. Beside dashboard, you will get an option of subscribed strategy, wherein subscribed strategy, again you will get two options for future and options, and also there is a segregation of whether the strategy is active or you have exited this strategy. So presently I have Ethereum momentum future strategy which is active in my account, and several times I have exited from the strategy as well. So in the exit segment, you will get the name of the strategy, subscription amount, exit type, like there is a neutral exit, there is a force exit, or the stop loss has been triggered in the particular strategy, right? Then you'll get the PNL, ROI and exited at, like what time and date you have exited the strategy. Then comes options strategy. Here how many strategy you have subscribed, option strategy you have subscribed. So I have a subscribed 2 options strategy, and the same metric you can see here seen in futures. Now there is another tab which is my trade, and from this drop down menu you can select any of this strategy and you can see the past trades, and this is the aggregate PNL and aggregate overview of all the strategies that you have subscribed. Look up to like which strategy is performing, which strategy is not performing, and you can club all those strategies to make your own portfolio. Now at the last, let me tell you how to take exit from this strategy. So first, simply from the landing page, either you can exit directly or you can click on this card and you can exit from this particular strategy. You simply need to click on exit toggle. You will get two options. One, it exit immediately at market. That means this strategy will immediately take exit from the market, or next it exit when the strategy is in neutral position. That means, so for example, if you have several open positions in this particular strategy, so you will only take exit when all the position gets closed. That means in neutral position, when all the positions are neutral, that means there is no position in your account, then only in this condition your algo will take exit. Now right now I have to take exit immediately from the market, so I'll directly click exit immediately at the marketplace. I'll check the box and I'll take exit. So here it is forcing my exit, and now you can see I have exited from my strategy. If you want to cross check, just go to the dashboard, go to the subscribed strategy, and here on futures I don't have anything, whereas earlier I had one future strategy, and as you can see I have exited the strategy here and it's a force exit.
So before leaving, let me give you one last reality check. In India, 60% trade is algo powered and the game is really changing. So this is the time for you to adapt. That's why the link is in the description, and this feature is rolling out for everyone soon. So go check your app. Who knows, this amazing feature might have been live for you. And if you couldn't see this feature right now, don't worry, we're going to roll out for all the users soon. So if you like the information, don't forget to share this video with your trader friend, and also subscribe the channel and switch on bell notifications so that you don't miss out on such information. Tell me in the comment section which strategy did you subscribe first. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.